Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 9th English. Class 9th English Behave. Class 9th English book, that is Behave. That is Behave, and chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind. Chapter A Truly Beautiful Mind. A truly beautiful mind. Okay. So in this chapter we will learn about a scientist. A truly beautiful mind is the name of the chapter. And the name of the chapter is fourth. A truly beautiful mind. In this chapter, what do you think of when you hear the word genius? Okay, when a person hears the word genius, what kinds of feeling comes in a person's mind? Who is genius? Means first is that what kinds of feelings comes in a mind after hearing the word genius, and next word is that who is genius? Who is genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Means suppose if you are saying he or she is genius, what types of qualities should they have? We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. Means in this chapter we are going to learn about a young German man. Young German man. In this chapter we are going to learn about a young German man, because whom we can say that he was genius. Civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer 1905, this was the time of 1905 of summer season. The 26-year-old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, which he discovered about light. Next thing is that motion of particles, the motion of particles, and next is the electrodynamic of moving bodies and energy. Electrodynamics, electrodynamics of moving bodies. Okay. Next thing is that energy. What is energy? What is the electrodynamic of moving body? What is the motion of particles? What is light? These are invented by a young German man. And next, I am going to tell you about the young German man. So you should have a curiosity who was a young German man. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space. Means before this person, we don't know a lot of about the space, about the space, time and entire cosmos, time and entire cosmos. Okay, and transform the name Einstein into a synonym for genius. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein genius still reigns. So, in short, we can say that we are going to discuss a young German man who is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein means here we can say that a young German man was a Albert Einstein. Okay, guys. So here we will learn this according to the summary of this chapter. And the summary of this chapter is that childhood. So childhood means we will learn childhood about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879 in the German city of Ulm. Okay, we can say that Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879. 14th March 1879. Okay, कहाँ पे? Ulm. He had a large head and his mother thought he was a prank. Means here we can say that Albert Einstein head was large and of general. He started speaking very late. He was interested in mechanical toys. His playmates called him a bore. Oh, bore. He loved playing violin. Okay. At school, we will know about the school of a young German man who is known as Albert Einstein. Einstein went to a school in Munich. Though he was good at studies, he felt stifled there. It was because the discipline was too strict. He often had confrontation with his teachers. Headmaster believed he was good for nothing. At the age of 15, he left school forever. Means here we can say that Albert Einstein left the school. So here, guys, tomorrow we will proceed this chapter